Looking for new and creative ways to share content in PowerPoint? 3D PowerPoint pyramid designs are a great way to do just that. They're stylish and powerful ways to present data and bring your ideas to life. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress. I'm a PowerPoint design pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D PowerPoint pyramids using templates. In moments, you'll learn how to build your own 3D PowerPoint pyramid. Then you'll be able to amaze any audience, with no design skills required. It's quick, easy, and fun. For this tutorial, we'll be using the stunning pyramid PowerPoint template from Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here. As you can see, there are 20 slides here with many diagram designs included. Now let's look at two key ways of adding a pyramid diagram in PowerPoint. Both help you learn how to create 3D pyramid in PowerPoint designs of your own. Now let's create a pyramid in PowerPoint using our template. Let's use slide 6 here, which has this really cool 4-layer pyramid on it. The first step is to add our own text. To do that, go ahead and highlight the existing text by clicking onto one of these text boxes, as you're seeing me do here. Select the contents and then start typing over them with your own words. It's so easy. Flashing forward here, you'll see the pyramid diagram with text added in throughout. Now we can make some design changes. For example, let's change the color of one of the sections. To begin, click on one of these flat panes to select it like this. Then come back up to the ribbon and click Shape Format. Then choose the Shape Fill dropdown, which is over here on the right. On the color chooser, pick a new shade and you'll see it preview onto the shape. Simply click on one of these thumbnails to apply a new shade to the selected shape. One thing to keep in mind here, if you're changing the colors of a level, you'll want to keep the 3D effect. So here on the left side, choose a lighter shade than the color on the right. As you can see, I'm applying a darker shade here to the right side. This preserves the 3D shadow effect. Finally, let's animate our PowerPoint pyramid. Keep in mind, this graphic shows off a 4-step process. When we present, odds are we'll want to spend time touching on each step in turn before moving on to the next. I'll begin here by grouping the layers. Click on one, hold down Control, and select the other pieces. Then, with each layer selected, come up to the Animations tab here on the ribbon. You'll see these animation effects here in the Animation section. Wheel is a great subtle effect, and I'll add it here by clicking on Wheel. You'll see it preview on the slide. Let's look at another great way to build a 3D PowerPoint pyramid. Here, we'll use SmartArt, which is a built-in graphics feature right in PowerPoint. This lets you add your own editable 3D pyramid in PowerPoint graphics on any slide. To get started, let's add a blank slide here. Then come up to the Insert tab. You'll find this on PowerPoint's ribbon, the list of menu options across the top of your screen. Click Insert, then choose SmartArt here by clicking on the button. The SmartArt menu will launch here, and you'll see this list of categories on the left. Click on Pyramid, and then choose from one of these 4 design options. Click it, then press OK. You'll see it appear on your slide. From here, notice these text boxes. These are dynamic, letting you type in your own content. I'll click into one here and type in some text. Truly, SmartArt graphics are an easy and dynamic way to share content. That's it. In moments, you've learned how to build a stunning animated 3D pyramid in PowerPoint. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. With thousands of designs to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect option for your next project. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many premium PPT 3D pyramid slide decks as you want. Plus, Elements include stock photos, music, and more. These digital assets pair perfectly with slide templates for PowerPoint. You don't want to miss out. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll enjoy countless other tutorials just like this one. Plus, you'll benefit from courses, content roundups, and so much more. You just can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.